Some words have a subject and a predicate.
In part 1, we explained how dummy subjects are used in English sentences with weather and climate verbs. These placeholder words are required in English to complete the sentence structure, but not in Tagalog. Remember that the words we've applied the rule so far are verbs. Next, we will explain how this rule also applies when adjectives are used.
Now, what's the difference between maulan and umuulan? Maulan is a state or condition, whereas umuulan is the occurrence of that condition.
You use an adjective to describe a prevailing or general condition. You use a verb to describe a one-time occurrence.
Umuulan sa Vancouver means it's raining in Vancouver. But maulan sa Vancouver is taken to mean, in general, it's raining in Vancouver. And even if you say maulan sa Vancouver ngayon, it implies it's raining in Vancouver these days.
Umuulan sa Vancouver ngayon means it's raining in Vancouver right now.
Lumindol sa California, there was an earthquake in California. But malindol sa California means California is prone to earthquake. Uminit instead of mainit, it became hot, it's hot. Lumamig, malamig. Umaraw, maaraw. Humangin, mahangin. Umaliwalas and maaliwalas. Dumilim and madilim. Lumiwanag and maliwanag. Tumahimik, tahimik. Umingay, maingay. Bumango, mabango. Bumaho and mabaho. Umalikabok, maalikabok.
But this concept extends further. In conversational Tagalog, if the subject is already evident, you skip it. This happens often with two sentences referring to the same thing. In English, you might say, "Taste this apple, it is sweet." The proper way to say this in Tagalog is, "Tikman mo itong mansanas, ito ay matamis." But this is what you'll hear in conversation. "Tikman mo itong mansanas, matamis." It's apparent that mansanas is the subject of the second sentence, and so it is dropped. Mahirap ang exam. Nakakalito. The exam was difficult. It was confusing. Masakit ang paa niya. May sugat. His foot is hurting. It has a wound. Tawagin mo ang nanay. Nasa kusina. Call nanay. She's in the kitchen. Wala na si Ed. Umalis na. Ed's gone. He left already.
Okay, mahaba na masyado. Bye.
Join the Landas Network. Free lessons on YouTube and free coaching on Reddit.
I'll see you there.